If you feel there is a curse on you, first, know that it is more common than you think, and there is an easy way to cleanse your aura of this energy. First, any negative energy that is purposely cast on you by someone, or you absorbed through a toxic environment, has a purpose and an expiration date. Second, no curse can attach itself to you unless there was a corresponding negative consciousness inside of you to allow it in. A good example is sadness. Sadness to negative and cursed energy is like honey to a bee. Sadness draws the largest amount of negative forces, angels, and lost souls, what the sages called dibukim. Here is the good news. Even if 8 billion people try to harm you, if your consciousness is elevated, if you are connected to happiness and not sadness, human dignity and not separation, certainty and not doubts, then no one can hurt you or touch you. Your aura is impenetrable. If you feel a cursed energy around you, make a list of areas of your life you can transform negative consciousness immediately, and watch the transformation of dark to light right before your eyes.